Hello, my name's Elise and I'm from Fleur Boutique in Penwitham. My first question is, what could be done with more green spaces here? Well, we have a lovely green space just opposite our shop, and it's right next door to this library where I am now, and there's also a church next door, and I think it's a wonderful little spot which could be useful to use, and it's got a lot of opportunity. It's not used for anything at the moment. It's right in the middle of the community. There's lots of residential buildings all the way around it, so I think a lot of people would notice it. There's car parking around as well. I've heard that there's another green space in the area which is apparently going to be used, which is near the community centre. But I pointed out that on two sides of that area, it's just rural fields, and there's only a few houses near it, and it's not as beneficial to the mass of the community as it would be around here. And also, if you're trying to get sort of youngsters who need sort of educating in how to respect things, why not bring them into the community where we all are, as opposed to sending them up one area where it's quite isolated and they're not being involved with everybody else. My second question is, why is the area important to me or to Preston? Well, I've worked here in Preston for 20 years, well, in Penwitham here, and I've watched the area change, and it's improved over the years, definitely. We get less vandalism than we used to, but it would be nicer if it did look better and it had a little bit more, affection, and looked a bit more inspiring. It's got full of potential. Like I say, there's lots of people and there's lots of parking and there's lots of facilities. So I think if it was just looked a little bit better and people loved it a little bit more, then that's going to be a good thing. Thank you.